Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Buckingham County until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lake Monticello to near Shipman, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Buckingham, Dillwyn, New Canton, Toga, Centenary, Andersonville, and Shepherds.